Today, let's talk about having a positive attitude.
Today we're going to speak about communication.
If you're 15 minutes early, you're on time. If you're on time, you're late.
So when you show up to the job site, best thing to do is have the most positive attitude you can.
I can't stress enough how much listening is more important than speaking.
Being able to problem solve and troubleshoot makes someone really valuable employee.
Professionalism means you have to have high quality work standards.
Everybody in the skilled trades is more than happy to pass on the knowledge that they've gained over however many years they've been in.
You have to actually remain respectful and communicated with your boss and your employer.
Having your mental strength and flexibility is what makes or breaks a successful person out in any career.